He's gonna cry or he's just gonna...
Ow!
There.
Bah! Ow! Bah! I'm a panda. Hello, Miles.
You need to have, tell us.
That's too much pressure. Here, you do it. I'll be the owl and chime in occasionally.
Something wise.
My wise statement.
Wow, this is hard. I'm the wisest of animals because I'm the oldest of animals.
Yo, I'm the wisest.
I was created when there was only black and white.
But I can fly, so there.
Are you disrespecting me?
Don't disrespect the panda. Wanna be a lion? Mr. Lion?
What?
King of the jungle.
These are not ergonomic puppets. Oh, there we go. I understand now.
That's terrifying.
Come on, Wayne, don't be shy.
Uncle Wayne doing?
We showed him the video of the baby dancing to all the single babies.
Oh my god, isn't that funny?
Yeah, we were hoping that he would take it as instruction. So far, no luck, but...
That tape is hilarious. Have you seen that video?
I think so. Yeah.
Not for babies. Captain Cauliflower.
No.
What? Oh. I guess this is supposed to be a lettuce. Eat your lettuce. Good for you.
You know, at some point, if you don't look at me, I'm just an idiot with a puppet bio.
I know, right? You need to come up with a story.
Panda like Miles, that's the story I'm telling.
An owl is very contrary. Ah! Ah! There goes owl.
There's actually a hawk that
Help
lives
me,
in
Miles!
one of the buildings across from our...
Really?
Yeah.
Help me,
And so
Miles!
occasionally you'll see it flying around, and once I saw it swoop, and I didn't, it was behind some trees, but I did hear like this, squeal, and I'm like, oh, a hawk caught something for dinner.
There you go. Hey, what are you doing to Panda?
So, he's small enough that hawk should be kind of worrying him.
Do Panda, he says.
Panda?
Go.
He's thinking about going over there and getting that milk carton. That's what he's been wanting to do ever since you put it over there.
Hello, Miles. Hello, what? I am a panda. I'm a panda and I'm here to teach you. I'm here to teach you. Learn with your mind, not with your hands. I am very white and your hands are very grubby. Is that the first thing you must learn? Is it panda or not to be trifled with? You're trifling with me. You continue to trifle. Oh, that is just disgusting. You continue to trifle with me. I will assault you. Oh, don't even bother. I'm not. It's very nice of you, but literally my whole life is covered in
drool.
Oh, it's you leave me no choice but to assault you. I will assault you. I hope you have learned your lesson of respect.
Look at you go. Oh.
he was standing with close to Eric, thinking that Eric was supporting him when he first started standing at the couch, but Eric wasn't holding him. He was standing totally on his own.
Yeah. For a second or two.
Strong baby.
It was a milestone.
Why'd you take his clothes off?
Milestone, get it? What's that?
Why'd you take his clothes off?
Oh, because when I was changing them, they needed to be taken off.
Are they soiled?
Yeah. It's okay, they're in the storage pocket. You read about Little Bo Peep? Babies can't read. I like your ambition, though. Babies can get people in the doctor again. Yeah.